So, this is Teddy.
Hi, I'm Teddy and I'm 6 years old, and here's Dea. Hey, I'm Dea and I'm 3 years old,
And I'm Caty, and I'm a bit older than these guys. And we've come today to the hidden world, which is the woods that was created into a whole world during lockdown by my neighbours, Teddy and Dea. And we've come here because they really kindly offered to come and have a conversation with me about nature, because we're launching a crowdfund for Intaconnected, and Intaconnected exists to try to inspire and engage businesses and employees to take more responsible action as part of their company for nature and for the planet. And I wanted to ask Teddy and Dea today what they thought about the need for people to do much more to protect the planet. So Teddy, what does nature mean to you?
what it means to me is like that it's my own thing to take care of, like my own pet. So you have to give it good food, which is water, rain and sun. And we also need to give nature protection. So we shouldn't pollute water, and we shouldn't
Rubbish out.
throw rubbish out. And I've heard on a TV show that there was an island called Trash Island, and it was as big as Texas with loads of rubbish floating on the sea.
Oh, it's so awful.
And people keep dumping huge loads of rubbish every day on it.
And how does that make you feel?
Really, really bad and sad.
Yeah, really bad. Dea, what do you love about nature?
Because we need to protect it and give it food to be healthy.
To be healthy, because you'd like a healthy future to live in, a healthy world, right?
Yeah, nature is our home.
Yeah.
If we didn't have nature, there would probably be no food.
No food, no air to breathe, no water.
And no like fresh air. And no paper, because trees make paper.
Right, they do, exactly. We need nature for everything, right? Every company has to use nature, so it's our responsibility to protect it. So
because we need to like protect it for the world. And the ocean is the most important because it's got animals.
Right. What's your favorite ocean animal? Whale shark?
Penguin.
Penguin.
Yeah, what my favorite one is.
What is it?
Shall I tell you one?
No, let Dea tell hers. What's your favorite animal in the world?
It's the one that can fly and go underwater.
Penguin?
No. Flying fish. No. Flying fish can go
Dolphin?
underwater.
What is it? Tell us. What is it? Tell the camera. Quick, tell us.
There, say it now. We do know. Can you tell them now? I don't know. Dolphin. No.
What?
Hawk. It's a flying something. Not a flying fish. Flying fish go underwater and in the sky. They have like skeleton legs. Not feet.
Right, well, we'll come back to what Dea's favourite animal is.